I'm out here catching bait again, looking for the old snapper. My buddy Pan's not out yet, he's running late. But I've got quite a few yakkers ready and got a pike set out. And I've just run out of bait spools just as we got on. Just collecting a bait. Sabiki's pretty good. Whoops. Got a few pike as well. Down some stuff up here. What's that something? Alright, just catching some bait and then we'll go out for the snapper, but I've got the bait out already just in case. Learning from the OGs. Oh, here we go. Nice. Oh, another jig. Jig this time. Oh. On the jig. Going on the jig. Next one down. And on again. Oh, I might have two on. Good. Another yakka. Easy to catch at the moment. Right, more yakkas. I think that's a pan in the distance. Another yakka. Oh, it's drop after drop. But it's a bit heavier. Maybe there's a few of them on here. I took the jig. That's fine. Hooks.
It's gone, Roger. You on?
Nah, it's gone.
Oh my God, Roger, why? Why, Roger?
Fuck!
Should have grabbed that rod first.
Look, it's the bit.
Oh, so you got hit on the cutlet?
Yeah, I was.
Big one?
No, decent one though.
Nice, Roger, nice.
Oh, yes. Oh, this is what we're after. Oh. About time, about bloody time.
Roger,
Woo!
nice.
Stay on, buddy. Stay on. Oh. Nice. Nice and smooth. Ugh.
Oh shit, Roger! Don't lose it!
Fucking shut up.
Hey! Bring him up, Roger, bring him up!
I'm trying. He's fighting hard.
Big one, yay!
Oh. Man, I have to work for this guy. Fucking hell. Fucking hell.
Nice!
Oh. No releasing this one, it's got barotrauma.
Where my face?
Children, how's this? My new PB, big lump in the head, 65. He's gonna feed the family very well. 65. He's alive, not for very long. Bye. I think the jig's called a rockfish or some description. Not finding very hard, unless it's just a big wad of weed or something. Oh no, there's a head shake. It's a baker. You want a baker?
Huh?
You want a baker?
No, too small. Let him leave. Roger, let him leave.
Jiggy's pulled something else again. Not very big. Oh, big. Slimy! Slimy!
Oh, you want it?
What? You want to use it as bait?
Yes. That's a premium bait.
Is it?
That definitely bite for snapper.
Slimy!